Hello everyone once again, welcome back to another AFI $1,000 giveaway. Today we will be participating in a game of speed, a game of reflexes. You've probably seen it online all over the place. Our contestants will be attempting to catch little rods dropping from this apparatus. We will be doing 3 rounds with each person. Whoever can catch the most amount of these rods in their 3 turns will win and win one of you $1,000 worth of fragrance from the AFI store.
Round 2.
3, 2, 1, go.
Does that count? 2. Round 3.
3, 2, 1, go.
I got 5.
Let's freaking go.
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
2. Round 3.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I dropped it. Oh, I dropped one.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Ow!
3, 2, 1, go.
Three. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
No! Even if I would have got it, I got 3.
I'm nervous.
3, 2, 1, go.
That's 3. This is round 2. Let me do what I do.
3, 2, 1, go.
Man, the cap flew off and messed me up.
3, 2, 1, go.
I caught 3.
Tiebreaker, let's go.
3, 2, 1, go.
5.
Tiebreaker, boys.
3, 2, 1, go.
And with that, it looks like we have a winner. It is Nick. Congratulations. You bested me in the tiebreaker. You caught all 6 of them. That's wonderful work. Great job.
Good game.
Good game. Thank you very much. How does it feel?
It feels really good. This game is awesome.
And that means that you have won your entrant, Carrie G from Idaho, $1,000 worth of fragrance from the AFI store.
Congratulations, Carrie G. I want to see what you put together with this $1,000 worth of fragrances here.
Excellent. Awesome. Well, thank you all very much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, all of those things. Leave a comment, and we will see you next time for the next AFI $1,000 giveaway. See you then.